If you wake up groggy, or if you're like me having a high fever, you don't always have the capacity to pour very good, in which case your coffee comes out kind of weak. So as a solution, I actually found this kind of method to make a very good pour all the time. So let's get into it. The first thing we do is just gonna put the grinds in. Once that's done, we give it the typical stir. Stir all the way to the bottom. And then we're gonna just tap it so it's nice and tight. So what we'll do instead is we're just gonna drop the chopstick down into the middle, and we're gonna pour down the chopstick. Notice how it kind of just gently goes down the chopstick. This way we don't need any skill, or we don't need to have much concentration when we're doing it. We just kind of pour to our desired rate. You can pour fast, you can pour slow, doesn't really matter, honestly. I'm just doing slow because it's the bloom part right now. And I did a 1 to 2 today, just because we're able to keep it nice and slow. So it's 20 grams of beans to 40 grams of water. And once again, we're just going to kind of stir it open to expose all the grinds so that we can degas the coffees properly. Now that all the gases has been removed, we just pour. Put the chopstick all the way to the bottom, and we pour down the chopstick. You can pour a little bit faster than in the beginning, because our goal now is to flush all the grinds up. I'm pouring to a 1 to 10 ratio, and then I'm just going to stir from beginning to end, just because that's something I've been working on. And I do go all the way down to the bottom right here. And then here I'm kind of going to slow down and show you guys, but I've been kind of just doing this stir from the side. This is where I pull up all the grinds at the bottom and kind of expose the fines to the top. Give everything kind of a good motion so that there's no gases being released. You can see in the middle that it's completely removed, devoid of gases, and that's what we're looking for. We're just looking to remove all the gases, and that just signifies that the beans have are fully ready to extract or be extracted. So that's the finished bed. It looks pretty nice, actually. Granulars at the top, the fines are kind of at the bottom, just because of the way we moved around the grind so much, actually, or the beans so much. Color is really nice. It's pretty orangey. Now, if you guys are new here, my name is Vincent, and I'm the roaster for Tails Coffee. My last video kind of popped off. We did very well, especially because we're running a Black Friday sale, which ends in a couple of days. But because of that, I actually don't have all the packaging material. So for some of you that ordered recently, it might be a little bit delayed because I didn't expect so much support. So thank you very much for everything. But as for the method itself, I hope you guys can kind of give it a try. I actually find that this is probably one of the best ways to make a coffee. In fact, even on good days, when my hands are steady, I still kind of resort to this. Being able to pour down the chopstick and then going right to the bottom kind of reenacts the idea of just lifting all your grinds to the top so that the water can kind of brew everything down. Now, the other issue is because we added the bloom, we can extract very quickly. We only need like 1 to 10 to fully extract everything. So yeah, play around with it. Let me know what you guys think. And then I'm going to kind of adapt some of these ideas into the next experiment. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for supporting me. Sorry I didn't have my Sunday talks, but yeah. Also, I'm trying to start a new kind of video. If you're in the Greater Vancouver area, DM me. I actually want to start this new series where I'm just like, you guys tell a story, and then I kind of create a coffee to go with that story. Obviously, it's going to be kind of like premeditated. You're going to tell me what kind of story it is. And then as you tell it and as I brew it, we can kind of go over why I made that coffee and why I selected that coffee to represent your story. So anyways, that's kind of the idea. If you're in the area, just let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.